or job title. I am impressed by the way someone treats other human beings. The biggest mistake by most human beings listening half, understanding quarter, and telling double. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. The sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. Being human is given, but keeping our humanity is a choice. No moral value is greater than humanity. Let us stand in solidarity, not a specific country, race, or religion, but rather to humanity.